Hello viewers, in our class today, we'll be looking at partial fraction. I'll be presenting an introduction to partial fraction. But before we start, what then is a fraction? A fraction can be seen as part of a whole, like part of an orange, part of a plate of rice, and so on. An example of a fraction can be 1 over 2. So this is called a proper fraction. We also have many terms regarding to fraction, but our duty today is to understand partial fraction. But while dealing with fractions, like when I have 1 over 3, for us to simplify this type of fraction or add them together using addition operation, what we always do is just to find the LCM of the denominator, which is 2 and 3. And the LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. Because we are trying to express these two fractions in the same denominator. That is common denominator. Then we say that 2 will divide 6 to get 3. Then we multiply 3 to 1 to have 3. 3 will divide 6 to get 2. We multiply 2 to 1 to get 2. Then plus 2, then we are having the answer to be 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. We have 5 over 6. In this particular method, it is also applied in algebraic fraction. As I said, in this particular way, algebraic fractions, I have 2 over x minus 3 minus 4 over x minus 1 can be combined in the same way as we did in our arithmetic fraction. And to do this, we have to express these two algebraic fractions in their common denominator, which is gotten by the LCM of the two denominators, x minus 3 and x minus 1. And this can be equal to, since they are algebraic terms, we use their product, which is x minus 3 and what? This one, x minus 1. So, for us to do this, we will now divide, for us to minus, we will now divide x minus 3. We will divide the whole denominator, x minus 3, into x minus 1, leaving us with x minus 1. Then we take this x minus 1 and multiply it to 2. So we are having 2 into x minus 1. Then we go to the next fraction. We already have subtraction operation. We go to the next fraction. X minus 1 will now divide x minus 3 into x minus 1. When it divides, we are left with x minus 1. Then we have to multiply it to 4. So I'm having 4 into x minus 3. So the next step is to open up the bracket in the numerator. Please leave my denominator as it is. So 2 times x will give me 2x. 2 times minus 1 will give me minus 2. Minus 4 times x will give me minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 3. Here we have minus minus, which is now positive. It will be positive 12. Divided by, I have my x minus 3 into x minus 1. On simplifying the denominator, I add and subtract the common term. 2x minus 4x will give me what? Minus 2x. Then minus 2, then plus 12 will give me positive 10. Divided by this denominator, x minus 3 into x minus 1. So we can now see that 2 over x minus 3 minus 4 over x minus 1 is equal to minus 2x plus 10 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 1. So in this, you can see that these are the same now. With this little example I have shown on the board, you can now see that this fraction 2 over x minus 3 minus 4 over x minus 1 is a partial fraction of this cumbersome fraction minus 2x plus 10 over x minus 3, then x minus 1. I think this class is nice as an introduction to partial fraction. Please always like, comment, and share when I upload my content. Please stay tuned for the real solving of this partial fraction. I love you. Keep learning and loving maths. Bye.